Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the person I did the video is having a little bit of confusion about the Smart Fill tool. When you go to the Smart Fill tool and then you nudge it out of the way, I was going left click, right click, and he was saying that he already has the outline. Well, he has the outline because under the Smart Fill tool, he has something selected. So if you wanted to do this, it would save you a couple steps. I don't ever have that like that, but if you do that, and fill that in, and then you move it over, and then all you have to do is take away the outline. Now, or take away the fill. Now, with that said, you could have no fill. The only reason I don't like that is you can't really see what it's doing, and then you could nudge that out of the way and you don't have to do anything. You could just go with each letter and not worry about taking out the fill. So right up here, when you have the Smart Fill selected, no fill, specify the option for the fill, specify the option for the outline. No outline or hairline. So if you put no outline, that is grayed out. So if we do that, it doesn't do anything. It gives you a ghost. Anyway, hope that understands, and thank you for watching.